Hello, this is Gary with Helicopter Ground, and I'm here with a brief lesson on remote pilot flight planning. Assess the operating environment. Assess the operating environment considering risk to persons and property in the immediate vicinity, both on the surface and in the air. This assessment must include local weather conditions, local airspace and any flight restrictions such as NOTAMS, Notice to Airmen. NOTAMS would be things such as temporary flight restrictions where a president might be visiting an area, or it could be notification of runway lights out or areas where construction is being conducted by the airport. The location of persons and property on the surface and other ground hazards. Here's an example of where not to operate a small unmanned aircraft. We would not be legal to operate over this crowd. Brief any support members. Ensure that all persons directly participating in the small unmanned aircraft operation are informed about the operating conditions, emergency procedures, contingency procedures, roles and responsibilities, and potential hazards. Ensure that all control links between ground control station and the small unmanned aircraft are working properly. If the small unmanned aircraft is powered, ensure that there is enough available power for the small unmanned aircraft system to operate for the intended operational time. Ensure that any object attached or carried by the small unmanned aircraft is secure and does not adversely affect the flight characteristics or controllability of the aircraft. That will conclude this lesson for flight planning for the small unmanned aircraft. See you in the next video.